The government has set up a panel to review the formula that decides the pricing of gas produced by companies like ONGC and Reliance. The committee under former Planning Commission member Kirit Parikh will suggest a fair price to end consumer. Who control the prices of LPG in India, how they are decided and managed? There are some of the FAQs we must know the answer. The oil marketing companies that are run by the state, means by the central government, determine LPG prices in India, and the prices are revised every month. The two main factors that determine the prices of LPG cylinders in India are the exchange rate of the rupee against the dollar and the global benchmark rate. As you know, in a year, every household can get up to 12 cylinders at subsidized rates. In the case of more cylinders, the market price must be paid. LPG prices in India are determined by the previous month's international market price. But before we go ahead, let me introduce you to what is LPG. Liquefied Petroleum Gas (LPG) constitutes of butane and propane and is mainly used for powering vehicles, cooking and heating. As LPG is a fossil fuel, it is made from gas wells and oils. The manufacturing process of LPG includes the crude oil refinery process and natural gas processing. Now, let's see how LPG prices are decided. The price of LPG is decided based on an import parity price, that is IPP formula, which is based on international product prices. Saudi Aramco's contract prices are considered a benchmark for this calculation. The IPP formula includes Saudi Aramco's LPG prices, free on-board price, ocean freight charges, custom duties and port duties. Local freight charges, bottling charges, marketing cost, margins of oil marketing companies, dealer commissions and GST are also factored in before determining the final LPG retail price in India, which we get. The international price for LPG fluctuates in accordance with the price of its main raw material, that is crude oil. The price thus calculated in US dollars is then converted to Indian rupees. It is because of this weight of international prices that the government points to the rise in global prices as the major reason for the spike in Indian rates. India's LPG mix has a 60% share of butane and 40% share of propane. Hence, the prices of both these two are considered vital. Now, what causes LPG prices to rise? With India's LPG pricing depend on IPP factors such as rising price in the international market and decrease in the value of the Indian rupee can cause revisions in the price of LPG. That's all in today's session. See you soon.